YouTube. It's a very exciting video. I'm celebrating 300 subscribers in this video, which is mind-blowing to me that there's 300 people that want to listen to me ramble on about stuff, but I'm very appreciative of everyone that subscribes. Thank you for subscribing. I hope to get to 500x, and then the big goal is 1,000, obviously. Not for any kind of monetary reasons, but just to get to the 4-digit mark would be very cool. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about my new piece of equipment that I got, and as you can tell, or maybe you can tell, maybe you can't, from this this point of view, that I'm using a GoPro. So this is my second GoPro, and I just got this one. It's a replacement for the one that I had previously that smashed into a million pieces. And the way that happened is I have a suction cup mount, and I was videoing a point of view of my Corsa exhaust after I put it on. Apparently hit a bump or went around a corner too fast, or the suction cup just wasn't sticky enough, but it flew off of my car and smashed into pieces. So this is my replacement GoPro. I'm pretty excited about it because it takes great video, especially of motion, and with the mounts I can do a whole bunch of different angles and stuff. So I'm planning on using this to do you know, a couple of videos with multiple angles. So I'll use this for an angle, then my iPhone for another angle, and then I actually have a handheld video recorder it's a little outdated, but still takes pretty decent video. So I'm gonna experiment with that, do some fun videos with different angles and stuff at the same time. So that'll be fun to do. But I'm excited to have the GoPro. I'm gonna be able to make better videos with it. And if I do a point of view or outside the car, I will make sure I tether the GoPro so it will not smash if it becomes released from the car. I will show now my first trial of the GoPro. Had a little meetup with a couple buddies, MOPAR buddies. Only a handful of us showed up, and only 3 of us brought our cars, so there's really nothing to show as far as the cars go. But it was a fun little trip with my 6-year-old, and we you know, overtook a car off of the freeway ramp and had some fun. Randomly a Charger came up beside me and had a little fun back and forth with that guy in the Charger. Nice. I don't know who that is. We'll find out. Sounds good. I guess he's not part of the group. I thought he was coming to Cracker Barrel with us. That sounded sick. I don't know who it is, but if you're watching this video, reach out to me, because we got to get together. I want to learn more about your car because it was pretty cool. Didn't end up being, I thought it was someone that was from going to our meet, but it just ended up to be a random passerby. So thanks again to the 300 people that have subscribed, and looking forward to 500.